Hey, Sweet Tooth! Got a minute? Let's whip up some microwave pudding magic. Here's what you need. 1 egg, 100 milliliters of milk, a tablespoon of sugar, and a dash of vanilla essence. Grab a mug or a small heat-resistant container. Crack in the egg, add the sugar and milk, and mix it well. Remember, no bubbles. Add a drop of vanilla for that extra yum. Want it super smooth? Sieve it back into the mug. Now, pop it in the microwave for about 1 minute. Keep an eye on it if your microwave's super powerful. And voila! Your pudding is ready. Let it cool for a bit, it's even better when it's chilled. Don't forget to subscribe and discover more fun recipes. Enjoy your delicious pudding.